Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And super quick video for you guys today. Just wanted to share a few tools that I've gotten in the last week, and actually that's about it. No projects on the go right now. I actually just finished one, but yeah, I'll be sharing that with you guys in the future, I guess. Nothing huge, but I'm sure you guys will see it eventually. Um, but yeah, so last weekend, actually Mother's Day, me and my mom went to visit my brother, and he lives a couple hours away. And I think I've mentioned to you guys every time I go there, I try to make the point to go to Princess Auto, which is a store a lot like Harbor Freight in the States. So they have pretty well anything you can imagine. A lot of tools, a lot of fab stuff, and they actually have a surplus section too, which is pretty cool. Um, Also in that town, they have a Home Depot, which we don't have around here. So yeah, I finally was able to get some more aluminum for making my pick handles. So that was pretty cool. I needed that for a while now. But on to the Princess Auto stuff. Well, first I had this on rain check. A lot of you probably seen that I got that punch set last tool video. This is the one that I originally wanted, but now that I have them both, I mean, I like how these are long. I like the handles on these, but I have an idea for one of these that actually I probably use the other set, but yeah, I have an idea of something I could make out of one of these, or a little tool that I can make out of it. I'll be sure to share that with you guys too. Also, this I've been actually kind of needing for a while. It's just a 6-inch square. I forget the technical name for it. Some people call it a tri-square. Um, but yeah, my other one is a 12-inch, and I banged it all up when I made a Bilock key. I used this as the form, and I hammered up all the edge on it, but it was just a cheapo anyway. A couple bucks. It was the square part of it here was plastic, so. But yeah, this is a really helpful tool, and I run into things all the time that I can use this for, so nice to have a nice small one. I guess we'll do this next. Like I said, Princess Auto has a surplus section, and I took a glance through there, and like I said, I found some really good deals. They had a lot of stuff on clearance. This is I think it was like $1 or $2. Hang on here. It's a MOLLE, which is this type of webbing that you see. You'll see it on like vests and bags and stuff, and it's made so you can set your gear up the way you like it. It's a MOLLE flash bang grenade pouch. Pretty cool. And I don't know about carrying this like on your belt or something. It's kind of a little much for me, little tacky. No pun intended, not tactical, but kind of, yeah, kind of tacky. A little too big to wear on your belt as a knife holster or something like that. But I don't know, I got it $1. Like I don't know, like the camo, and I thought I might find some stuff to put in it. Might actually put a flashlight in there, put a knife in there just to so I know where it is. But this I bought for a reason. I'd like to eventually get like a shoulder bag for like my locksmithing tools and stuff like that. And I'd like to get one that has the MOLLE straps, so I could modularly set it up, if that's a word. But this is a nice big pouch. It's actually a first aid pouch, and you could see how that would fit in there, no problem. A bunch of other stuff would fit in there easily with it. Um, yeah, bypass tools, all sorts of just lockout tools, and in the bag would be more, yeah, rekeying, maintenance tools, stuff like that. But I have my eye on one bag. It's just you can only get it from, I think, one place, and I haven't gotten it yet. But it's a MOLLE webbed bag. It's maybe from forget. It's something that some place that sells like to police and stuff like that. But it doesn't look too tactical. Where you know what I mean. Something that maybe a locksmith shouldn't be carrying, but I think it would. I don't know. I think it would look great. I think it would work great. Is the point? Black, and this would be yeah, strapped on the side there, clipped on the side with the MOLLE straps. So that's that. And last but certainly not least, this is something I've been wanting for a while, and I know is going to come in handy. It's an impact screwdriver, and I'm sure most of you know what it is, but you know when you have a screw that's really jammed in there and there's no getting it off, and you're starting to strip the head, whether it be whatever, Phillips or flathead. Well, this kit, take it out here. This kit, you would select your bit, say a flat, put it in the tip here, and you hold it in your screw at the same time hitting this with the hammer, and obviously the act of hitting it with the hammer drives it down, so it's not going to come out of the screw, and it also will give it like I don't know, maybe 1/8 of a turn, as you can see there. It's pretty cool how it works. It's pretty simple. There's just a spring in here, and I actually had this apart. It's really hard to get this clip off, but it's just as you can see, a little slot there, kind of a short, I don't know, I guess you would call it a short piece of a spiral. So as you hit this down and this travels this way and it's pushed into the screw, this turns just slightly, enough to knock that screw loose, and the act of hitting it also kind of jars it loose a bit too. So you got like 3 actions that are happening that helps you get that screw out. One would be the pushing down from the hammer hit. 2 would be the knocking of it. It kind of knocks it free a little bit, and the 3 would obviously be the turning of it. So really smart. They work absolutely great. I've seen them used quite a bit, and this one's pretty cool. That it's is that a quarter? No, that's 3/8, I guess. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think that's would have to be 3/8, right? Yeah, 3/8. So you can put any 3/8 driver on there. And the thing about these is these aren't your standard. Actually, I have one right here. It's not your standard bit size. It's a bit bigger, and you can tell by the color of them that they're hardened and tempered. So yeah, there's a regular sized, forget what that is, quarter? I forget. But you can see it's quite a bit bigger. So you can't use regular bits in it. Well, I guess you could if you, you'd have to just swap this out for the appropriate driver. It's just a socket, basically. So yeah, really cool set. I can't wait to try it out on a really stuck, well, anything actually. Could be a stuck bolt, could be obviously intended for screwdrivers or screws, but it's going to be really fun to have have a stuck bolt one day and be able to take it right out hopefully with no problem at all. And yeah, pretty sure that that this will take pretty well all of them out. If not, I'm sure you add a little heat and you'd be pretty pretty safe to get almost anything out from what I hear. I mean, I've seen them work really good too, so might be great for locks too. Sometimes you have these screws that are stuck in there. Anyways, don't want to waffle on too long, but wanted to share that with you guys. Maybe maybe you thought that interesting, and maybe you even learned something. Might want to give these a try as a last option before you take out the extractors. Anyways, guys, appreciate y'all joining me. Appreciate y'all commenting and everything. And as always, I'll see you on the next video. Take care, guys.